Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury featured in Twilight Blue Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, a power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left here we have our power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and to the right we have our cluster and audio controls. We can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Taking a look at the infotainment screen here, starting off with the audio. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation here, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera. Just below that we have the climate controls, some extra storage down below with 2 USBs and a 12-volt, infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, and the center console here. Popping that open, we have storage up top and more down below. Top here we have the rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, the universal garage opener and power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, of course we have the Cadillac badge, XT4 and all-wheel drive to the left, and we can double click to unlock it here. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. Can drop these rear seats, make you a ton of extra storage space, not to mention the hidden storage down below. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents, rear heated seats with 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side. And in the middle here, you can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.